Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide posts from Facebook page. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Facebook application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on your profile name. Then select the post that you want to hide. Tap on the three horizontal dots. As you can see, there is no hide post option. In order to hide posts from Facebook page, you need to move the post to the recycle bin. So tap on it. And if you are sure, tap on the move button. And this is how you can hide posts from Facebook page. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.